Hi everyone, my name is Nokuthula Gulwa. Welcome back to the Road Runners Mzansi channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the notifications button so that you don't miss out on any videos. In the last video, I spoke about the Cape Town Marathon and I had asked that you please share your plans and targets for race day. Thank you so much to everyone who commented. It was great hearing from you, especially from those who will be running the Sanlam Cape Town Marathon as their first marathon. In today's video, I wanted to talk about the fact that it is race week, and you know that the race is upon us when you start seeing road closure signs in the road. So yeah, exciting times ahead, fun times ahead. And I'm sure that as a person who is running their first marathon, you're also quite nervous, and that is very natural. That's why today I wanted to talk about, what you should and you shouldn't be doing in these days leading up to the marathon, but also on race day. Because you've done the work, right? You've put in the time, you've put in the hours. So you definitely don't want to be doing anything that would jeopardize all the hard work that you have put in. I'm sure you've heard this so many times, but don't try anything new on race day. You do not want to ruin your marathon or negatively affect your race because now you were at the expo, you saw all of these things, and it's very tempting, hey? You see all of these things in display, now you're buying and now you want to try things that are new. It's best to stick to things that you've been using already. Same thing goes with a diet. Breakfast, whatever you've been eating during your training runs, during the long runs, it's best to stick to that. Tapering is also very important. Now, this advice comes a little bit late because you should have already started tapering by now. Basically reducing, the volume or the load, your running load in terms of kilometers and intensity as well. You really don't want to get to race day with tired legs. I am sure you've heard this so many times as well. It's not the distance that kills, but it's the pace. Stick to your plan, stick to the pace. I know that when you get on the start line and people are rushing, it's also quite easy to rush with them, but stick to your pace, stick to that plan that you've trained for. And if you're going to be running with the bus, also check, because I know some bus drivers, they like to do their own thing. If you've got a watch and you can see that this is not the pace for this bus, best stick to your plan. Last but not least, I cannot stress this enough. Enjoy yourself. It is your race. After all, enjoy it. I always say, in a race where there is 10,000 people, a very few percentage is going for prize money. The rest of us, whether you are running targeted times or not, the rest of us are running for fun. So it's very important that you enjoy yourself. Yes, push yourself, push your limits, but enjoy yourself at the end of the day. And if things don't go according to plan and you see that, halfway or whenever, but you're missing your target, you're missing the mark, change plans, then have plan B, but don't forget to enjoy yourself at the end of the day. So yeah, that are all the tips that I have for you today. If you're watching this and you've got more tips, please do share on the comments button. But also, if you've made mistakes, you've got funny stories that you'd like to share with us, please do. You could save another person from making a rookie mistake like you did. But yeah, thank you so much for joining again. I can't wait to see you on race day. I'm excited. Yeah, can't wait to see you on race day. And yeah, it's all the best to everyone running. Thank you.